Good morning, grade 1. Welcome to our English class. Are you ready to learn new ideas and knowledge today? That's great. Since you are ready, make sure to get yourself a comfortable place and prepare your paper and pencil. Today, we will be tackling sentences and non-sentences. This lesson is covered in Quarter 3, Week 2. Our most essential learning competency: recognize sentences and non-sentences with the code EN1G 3A E1. Before we proceed to our lesson, I have here a group of words. Let us read it together. The family prays together. Ethan and Joy. A talented girl. They study their lessons. Very good. Let us read the group of words once again. The family prays together. Ethan and Joy. A talented girl. They study their lessons. Now, what can you notice with those group of words? Very good. The first and the fourth group of words ends with a period, while the other two don't have a punctuation mark. Now, let us study what are the two kinds of group of words. When words are combined, you will form a group of words which may either be a sentence or a non-sentence. A sentence is a group of words. It tells a complete thought or idea. It is composed of a subject and a predicate. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Let us take a look at the different examples so we can further understand what sentence is. Ella plays the piano. The sun rises in the east. The garden is beautiful. So it is mentioned a while ago that a sentence is composed of a subject and a predicate. Let us analyze the given examples. Ella, the sun, and the garden are what we call subject. The subject is the doer of the action. It can either be a person, an animal, a place, or a thing. Plays the piano, rises in the east, and is beautiful are the predicate. Predicate tells what the subject does or the action. Since our examples have a subject and a predicate, we can say that these are all examples of sentence. It tells us a complete thought and idea. And always remember, a sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark like period, exclamation point, and a question mark. On the other hand, a non-sentence, like a phrase, is also a group of words. Unlike a sentence, it does not tell a complete thought or idea. It may just be a subject or the predicate. Let us take a look at the different examples. Playing the piano. Ray and May. Sets in the west. According to our definition, a non-sentence can either be just a subject or a predicate. Let us analyze our examples. Playing the piano. What do you think it is? Is it a subject or a predicate? Very good. It is a predicate because it tells us an action. Number 2. Ray and May. A subject or a predicate? Precisely. It is a subject. Number 3. Sets in the west. Perfect. It is a predicate. We can notice that this group of words has no complete thought and idea. That is why they are called non-sentence. Since we've already know what is the difference between a sentence and a non-sentence, let us try to answer some learning tasks. Learning task number 1. Identify whether it is a sentence or a non-sentence. Say S if it is a sentence and NS if it is a non-sentence. Are you ready, grade 1? Okay, let us start. Number 1. My name is Paula Marie. Is it a sentence or a non-sentence? Very good. S. Sentence. Number 2. My wonderful pet. Sentence or non-sentence? Correct. This is a non-sentence. Number 3. Anna's new phone. Sentence or non-sentence? Right. This is a non-sentence. Number 4. What is your name? Is this a sentence or a non-sentence? Precisely. This is a sentence. Number 5. Her father's house. Sentence or non-sentence? Very good. Non-sentence. Number 6. The children are playing. Is it a sentence or a non-sentence? Awesome. This is a sentence. Number 7. Ramon sings a song. Correct. Letter S. Sentence. Number 8. I am sorry. Is this a sentence or a non-sentence? Right. This is a sentence. Number 9. Playing the piano. Very good. NS. This is a non-sentence. Last number. Selling some apples. Correct. NS. Non-sentence. So how many of you got a perfect score? That was awesome. Let us try another learning task. Learning task number 2. Complete the table by supplying it with sentences and non-sentences from the choices. Given on the left side on the yellow box are examples of sentences and non-sentences. All we have to do is put it on the corresponding column so we can complete the table. Are you ready, grade 1? Let us start. Letter A. Reading books. Is it a sentence or a non-sentence? Very good. It is a non-sentence. Letter B. I love my parents. Correct. This is a sentence. Letter C. Luis enjoys his vacation. This is a sentence. Letter D. Clara reads some stories. Is it a sentence or a non-sentence? Very good. This is a sentence. Letter E. Alexa and Arman. Correct. A non-sentence. Letter F. My sister bakes a cake. Is it a sentence or a non-sentence? Right. This is a sentence. Letter G. Drinking apple juice. Is it a sentence or a non-sentence? Very good. This is a non-sentence. Letter H. Carlo recites a poem. Is it a sentence or a non-sentence? Right. This is a sentence. Letter I. Visiting my grandparents. Is it a sentence or a non-sentence? This is a non-sentence. Last one, letter J. Vince's favorite toy. Is it a sentence or a non-sentence? Correct. This is a non-sentence. That was amazing. Give yourself 5 claps. Just always remember, a group of words is formed by combining different words. This group of words may either be a sentence or a non-sentence. A sentence is a group of words that shows complete meaning or thought. Meanwhile, a non-sentence is also a group of words but does not tell a complete idea. To know if you really understand our lesson today, I want you to get your paper and pencil and be ready for our last learning task. On your paper or notebook, write if the following example is a sentence or a non-sentence. Again, you will write sentence or non-sentence. Is the directions clear? Very good. So are you ready, grade 1? Let us begin. Number 1. A long belt. Number 2. This is our house. Number 3. It is a beautiful bridge. Number 4. Visiting my doctor. Now, let us check your answers. Number 1. A long belt. Is it a sentence or a non-sentence? Very good. This is a non-sentence. Number 2. This is our house. Correct. This is a sentence. Number 3. It is a beautiful bridge. Right. This is a sentence. Lastly, number 4. Visiting my doctor. Very good. This is a non-sentence. Now, count your scores. How many of you got 4? How about 3? Who got 2? Does anyone got 1? Splendid. You really did a great job today. So that's it. This is the end of our today's English class. This has truly been a great discussion. I am Teacher Rinsel, your English teacher. See you again on another video lesson.